Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your logo color on specific pages in Squarespace. This is incredibly useful when you have different background colors across your pages and need your logo to stand out properly on each one. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can see all your Squarespace websites. Now, from your dashboard, you'll see all the websites you manage. Simply click on the specific website where you want to change the logo color on certain pages. This takes you into that site's editing interface where you can make all your customizations. Once you're inside, look over to the left side menu and click on Website. You'll see several options appear beneath it. From these options, click on Pages. This section gives you access to all the individual pages that make up your website, allowing you to customize each one separately. You'll now see a list of all your pages displayed. Browse through and click on the specific page where you want to change your logo color. This could be your home page, an about page, or any other page where you need the logo to appear differently. After selecting your page, look to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon which represents the page settings. Click on this gear icon to open up the settings panel. This is where you can make page-specific adjustments that won't affect your other pages. Inside the page settings menu, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Advanced. This section allows you to add custom code to individual pages, which is exactly what we need to change the logo color. Now this is where the magic happens. I'm going to paste a code snippet here that will change my logo to black on this specific page. The code I'm using targets just this page's header, so it won't affect your logo color anywhere else on your site. Feel free to pause the video right now so you can copy this code exactly as it appears. Once you've pasted the code into the advanced section, click Save. This applies your changes and ensures they're locked in for this particular page. Now let's navigate to a different page to see the difference. When I go to another page, you can see my logo remains white, but when I return to the home page where I applied the code, my logo is now black. This proves the color change is working perfectly on just that one specific page. And that's it. You've successfully changed your logo color on a specific page in Squarespace using custom code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.